you want, you can switch on your cameras so I can see all of you, and give an opportunity for all of us to see each other and also talk. So anybody wants to give any feedback about the 21 weeks class can do right now. Prakash Mahodaya, Pratap Mahodaya, I know. Anita Sajivan ji, I know. And then Lalita ji, Aya kya adya dini sa agatavati va ham na janami ekavaram. Sa tu agachati nishchayena. Lalita Bhaginyah nama adya na drishtate aham na janami. Kimartham sa na agachati. Anybody wants to give? Veena Naik is in Powai, but I have not met her at all. But I know Finan Naik ji and Tushar Naik ji. Shailaja ji, I have not seen you so far. Maybe in the other class I did some videos. So anybody wants to give feedback? Please give me a feedback. Anybody wants to raise their hand and speak, may please speak. So I'll just call out names. So we'll not do kolahalam here. We'll make it in an orderly way. Pratap Mahodaya vadatu, Bhavan vadatu. Samskriti eva vadatu. एकविंशत्यधिक संस्कृत कक्ष्यां भवान् आगतवान्, अतः किञ्चित् संस्कृतेन वदतु. चिन्ता मास्तु, अहं रेकार्डिङ्ग् अनन्तरं यूट्यूब् मध्ये न स्थापयिष्यामि. भवान् संस्कृते एव वदतु.
Difficult to do that in Sanskrit even now. I don't see.
किञ्चित् उच्चैः वदतु महोदय, ध्वनिः न श्रूयते. किञ्चित् उच्चैः वदतु महोदय.
I'll try that, but then I would suggest that I can express better in English so that I can.
चिन्ता मास्तु महोदय, आङ्ग्लेयभाषामेव उपयोगं करोतु.
So thank you Mahoday for your excellent classes, 21 classes. That too on 7 o'clock every Saturday is not something easy, considering your busy schedule and your family life. So first of all, the pains you have taken to be right there at 7 o'clock every Saturday and to conduct 20 odd session is something remarkable. I should salute you for that. Second thing, apart from Sanskrit, what we learned in terms of Subhashitams, in terms of importance of Sanskrit, importance of how this has to be developed, it has to be taught across generations, is something I should be thankful to you also. The third thing I felt is the various examples which you could tell, both from your life and the life of others. Today, the great story of this famous Mr. Bhatt, who could translate this into 9 volumes despite having this tumor, is something which I don't think I'll be able to hear from anybody or from any book, or I have to search volumes of Google for this. So such experiences has been very useful to us. Also, the people who brought in between Radhika Bagni, of course, the classes were very good, and also the experts who came from outside to tell us many things about Sanskrit which we don't know, and how to learn, how to use it, and how to speak, has been very, very, very helpful to me. Apart from that, I should also thank all of my colleagues who are here, as some of you may be knowing me because Prasad has been repeating my name every now and then, but then others, seniors like Lalita Bhagini, Girija Bhagini, Jayanti Bhagini and all have been helping us throughout. Whenever some small mistakes Prasad committed, they were correcting us. And they were also giving a lot of inputs in our WhatsApp group, a lot of practice lessons which I could follow religiously and help me to gain some knowledge, some understanding, at least some. Nobody cannot cheat me by saying some Sanskrit which is not there. So I can at least understand Sanskrit now, speak a little bit, and I would like to follow this and take this ahead. And I would also like to do whatever help I can do for Sanskrit Bharati, or my personal way. And that is what I have to say. So thank you all. Once again, thank you for all of you. Thank you for all your help, cooperation. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad Mahodaya. Pratap Mahodaya is my senior from my same college in College of Engineering Trivandrum, but he is much senior to me. I think he is around 7 or 8 years senior to me. He works in Reliance Industries, And incidentally, it is life is such that he is my senior, but he is a student in this class. There's nothing called student or anything. Whatever I know is what I'm teaching. Somebody is calling me Acharya. I am no Acharya. Acharya is such a heavy word actually. I am no Acharya. Vittal Bhatt Mahodaya, who has spent his entire lifetime writing this 9 volumes of Panini Vyakaranam, so people like us can even take that. I told you about a Shalaka Pariksha, right? We are not even qualified to even take 1 page out of the book and read it. So what Acharya? I am not any Acharya. I don't claim to be an Acharya also. Maybe after 7 lives, I can aspire to be an Acharya. In this life, definitely not. Whatever I know is whatever little is what I am trying to teach. Because I believe that we don't have to know everything to teach everything. And I don't claim to know everything also. Whatever I know is what I am trying to share with you. Dhanyawad Pratap Mahodaya. Anya Radha Ganapati ji किंचित वक्तुम् इच्छति चेत् वदतु अनम्यूट कृत्वा संस्कृतेन वक्तुं प्रयासं करोतु चिन्ता मास्तु
नमस्कारः अहं राधा गणपति अहम् एका गृहिणी पूर्वं मुम्बै कुमारस्वामी महोदय संस्कृतं पाठितवान् कुमारस्वामी महोदय एव भवद्वर्गः परिचयं कृतवान् भवतः सम्यक् व्याकरण वर्णना कृतवान् बहु सरल भाषेण कृतवान् अहं सम्यक् अवगतवती संस्कृत पठनं रुचिः अभवत् मम इच्छा अग्रे पठनं प्रयत्नं करोमि भगवद्गीता अर्थः सम्यक् ज्ञातुं मम इच्छा मम पुत्री मां दृष्ट्वा संस्कृत पठनम् आरम्भं कृतवती अहं शृङ्गेरी शिष्यः मम गृहे भारतीतीर्थ पादुके अस्ति अहं गण्ड स्वर स्वीकरणं करोमि अतः अहं पुराणानि सम्यक् ज्ञातुम् इच्छामि भवत् वीडियो अपि पुनः दृष्ट्वा स्मरणं करोमि भवतः वर्गः मह्यं बहु रोचते अहं शृङ्गेरी स्थाने शास्त्र संभाषणं दृष्टवती भवतः वर्ग मम बहु रोचते धन्यवादः I will speak in English now for giving an opportunity to listen to your
बहु सम्यक् संस्कृतम् उक्तवती आङ्ग्लेयं न आवश्यकं भवती यत् उक्तं बहु सम्यक् एव आङ्ग्लेयं मा वदतु सम्यक् उक्तवती आङ्ग्लेयं मा करोतु आङ्ग्लेयं त्यजनं करोतु इति अहं वदामि बहु सम्यक् संस्कृतं वदति
your videos will be very useful to punaस्मरणं your videos will be definitely in future
I told you video मम कृते अपि आवश्यकमेव अहम् अनन्तरं पश्यामि अहं कुत्र कुत्र दोषाः उक्तवान् इति अतः एव वीडियो मां कृते एव बहु मम कृते अपि बहु आवश्यकमेव भवती अपि पश्यतु धन्यवादः यत्र कुत्र दोषाः सन्ति कमेंट्स मध्ये लिखतु चिन्ता मास्तु कमेंट्स मध्ये लिखतु महोदय 19th minute 33 seconds भवान् अशुद्धम् उक्तवान् चिन्ता मास्तु अहं तत् स्वीकृत्य अग्रिमकक्षायाम् अहं तत्र परिष्करणं कृत्वा इतोपि सम्यक् पाठयितुं सरस्वती देव्याम् अहं प्रार्थयामि धन्यवादः राधा भगिनी अन्य कोऽपि वक्तुम् इच्छति वा रूपाङ्गी पटेल भगिनी सा तु अमेरिकातः एव वक्तुम् इच्छति चेत् वदतु रूपाङ्गी पटेल वदति भगिनी रूपाङ्गी भगिनी
Namo Namaha Prasad Mahoday and the rest of all the participants. There are 6 or 7 students been participating all the way across the globe. Actually, we've been attending every single class. It's been just such a pleasure to, I don't have words to thank Prasad Mahoday and all of you and Sanskrit Bharati for what you have done for all of us. Living across the globe in America, this is so much needed in today's time. So thank you so much. And Pratap Mahoday has already thanked everyone, so I would not repeat myself, but please कृपया मम बहवः धन्यवादः स्वीकरोतु.
धन्यवादः भगिनी. संस्कृत भारती एव अहं तु केवलम् एका अणु एव इति अहं चिन्तयामि। संस्कृतभारत्याः चिन्तनं पश्यतु, 1 कोटि अधिकजनाः पूर्णविश्वे इदानीं संस्कृतसम्भाषणशिबिरं न्यूनातिन्यूनम् एकवारं कृतवन्तः। अमेरिका मध्ये डॉक्टर पद्मकुमार के.एन. पद्मकुमार महोदय अस्ति, तस्य भाषणं शृणोतु, तस्य नारायणीयं क्लास् अटेण्ड् करोतु, तस्य गीतासोपानं क्लास् अटेण्ड् करोतु। प्रतिदिनं सः अमेरिका न्यूयार्क् समये 6:30 प्रतिदिनं सः योगाभ्यासकक्षा अपि करोति एव। तादृश कार्यकर्तारः संस्कृतभारती मध्ये अस्ति। अतः एव we are able to do this kind of work. Chamu Krishna Shastri, then Nandakumar Mahodaya, then there is Padmakumar Mahodaya. These are all, they are like avatars, so that we are able to carry this tradition forward. So it is our duty to carry this tradition forward. So my request to all of you is, don't limit it to just writing. I don't teach for exams. I have an exam today, in fact. So not today, tomorrow. I don't know when it is. But I will write that. When the question paper comes, I will write. Because Pathanam and Pathanam has to go together. Exam ke liye padna, that is not in my system at all. And I don't teach you for exams. Please use whatever you have learned out of this. Grihe grihe Samskritam, grame grame Samskritam, nagare nagare Samskritam, tadrisham karodi cheteva, asmagam Bharata deshasya, punaha ekavaram Vishwaguru sthane, Bharatam bhavishyati, iti mama manasi, kimapi kopi sandeha nasti, nischayena agamishyati. Bharatam punaha Vishwaguru sthanam prapnoti, prapsyati, iti mama uttama vishwasaha. Astu. Let us go to the next person. Otherwise, I'll keep on giving lectures which will never end. Sita Lakshmi Bhagini. Sita Lakshmi Bhagini vadatu tasya hastam upari eva. Sita Lakshmi Bhagini unmute kurta vadatu please. Kripaya.
Suprabhatam Mahodaya. Just wanted to join and tell, because of you learning Sanskrit, you are such an inspiration. The Sarala Sanskritam, the Udaharanam that you give in the classes, very, very inspiring for all of us. Thank you for giving us such an opportunity. I'm sorry that I'm in a different place, so I cannot.
Aham janami eva bhavatyaha grihe kinchit. Yeah, I know that you, all the 3 cousin sisters, are not in the class today. Chinta mastu, just for coming and thanking me, don't come. Your griha karyam is more important. Focus on whatever you need to do today. You can see the video later on. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Astu. I can see another hand. Dhanyavada Sita Lakshmi Bhagini. Anantaram, I have tried to make it simple because that is the way I have learned it. Sanskritam can be made very complex also. But my teacher, Kiran Mahodaya, from whom I have learned, has come to this class also once. Simplification is the highest level of sophistication, is what I believe. So he has simplified it so that dummies like me can learn it. And if I can learn it, all of you can learn it. This is my promise to you. If I can learn it, all of you can learn it. Anupama Naidu Bhagini vadatu sa hastam upai kritavati. Anupama Naidu Bhagini vadatu. Unmute karotu Bhagini, unmute karotu. Adani mute eva asti. Na shruyate, vadatu. Bhavati, unmute karotu. Vadatu. Shruyate, vadatu.
Namaskaram, sir. Would like to add one more thing. You made it so simple and so nice. It's and you being yourself a student, you made us realize that Sangat Chatvam is the only way, and we all are moving together. So that is why it is simple for all of us. Because when a student can also teach, that itself is the biggest example for all of us. So thank you very much to Sanskrit Bharati. And thank you very much to Prasad sir. Dhanyavad sir.
Satyam vadami aham prathama kakshayaah purve Kumar Mahodaya uktavan bhavan pravesha pariksha pathanam karotu iti. Mama manasi tasmin samaye kinchit abhi aham aham pathayami va. I had no clue how to start this class, but it is all Saraswati Devi's anugraha eva, because I think she wanted me to transmit whatever I know to all these students in this class. So that is the reason. Otherwise, I'm telling you, I'm nobody. So, luckily Radhika Bhagini was a big help to me. So a lot of material that I'm teaching you today is from her classes, and she and I collaborated a lot today in terms of getting the teaching material. And of course, Kiran Mahodaya from Kerala Dharmashala Samskrita Bharati, and of course Kumar Mahodaya, who is my Sambhashana Shikshakaha. And the greatness of Kumar Mahodaya is that he is so great that one thing he always told me, learn from me, now you go beyond me. Go and learn from other teachers. Go and attend multiple classes. Learn from other teachers, other books, other gurus, other acharyas, so that I want you to be better than me. It's a great thing for Kumarji to say that. Number one. Number two, he's my biggest supporter. So whenever I have a small doubt before the class, I don't know, spardhate, ityukte kim, aham na janami. And then I have to ask him, then he'll say, compete, ityukte spardha, ityukte compete. Just give an example. So such kind of small doubts is clarified for me, because he wants me to be successful, and he wants this venture of him to be successful, because I have only finished Pravesha Pariksha. I am not of any higher level. I am writing my next exam today and tomorrow, Shiksha and Kovida and all. Not Kovida, Parichaya and Shiksha. At this point of time, my only qualification is Pravesha Pariksha, Pathanameva. I have passed the Pravesha. That is my qualification. So I am not a PhD in Sanskritam. PhD is in some other subject. My Sanskritam qualification is Pravesha Pariksha Eva, on paper at least. But yes, I am a very passionate student of Sanskritam. I spend quality time every day, even when I drive to office, when I drive back from office. If I am sitting in a car, I put my headphone on and constantly listen and train my brain, because that is the only way to master a language. I have even stopped reading English newspapers, except Economic Times I read daily, because I need to know what is happening in the macro world. I read Economic Times. I stopped reading Times of India. I stopped reading Mumbai Mirror, because there is nothing in it for me to learn actually. It is there, but what I'm saying is, let me keep that aside for some time. Samskrita tapasya karaniyam. Tadrisham karaniya chet eva Samskritam manasi agachati mukhat sambhashana samya agachati. No chet sarvam jihvat agachati parantu mukhat bahihi na agachati. So to make it come out of your mouth, you need to constantly train your brain, because it's so much interconnected. Dhanyavadah Anupama Bhagini.
That's what we experience your passionate, sir. Your passion towards Sanskritam, we have experienced it, and that has motivated us.
Kevalam Sanskritam na. Samskriti eva mama passion.
Yes.
Sanskritam kevalam Samskrityaha ekam amshaha eva. Parantu Bharatiya Samskriti ityukte Samskritam eva.
Exactly.
Niti Shastram, Natya Shastram, Vyakarana Shastram, Tarka Shastram, Ganita Shastram. Just imagine the amount of knowledge system we have in this country. And today, to get a knowledge system, we need to go to Germany's Max Muller Library in Germany, in Stuttgart, to get our own textbooks, to interpret our own textbooks. Just see the state of our country. But don't worry, everything will come back. Yes. I don't know how many of you have listened to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's. I am not a BJP, of course, I am a big fan of Narendra Modi. No. I am not trying to advocate any politics here, but I want to tell you, he is the only person in this country who has become a Prime Minister in this country who was born after independence.
Yes.
All the other Prime Ministers, including Atal Bihari Vajpayee, including Morarji Desai, including I.K. Gujral, whoever you say are non-Congressies also, they are all born before independence. परंतु मोदी महोदय एकमेव व्यक्ति इदानीम् अस्माकं प्रधानमन्त्री सः इंडिपेंडेंस अनन्तरमेव सः what you call भूजातः he was born. तस्य भाषणं शृणोतु. The idea of India, I don't know how many of you heard about the idea of India speech that he gave in the parliament.
Yes.
That's a fantastic speech. If not, please go and listen to it. Complete Sanskritameva. Satyameva jayate. Truth alone triumphs. There was a lot of intolerance discussion. It was all Bihar elections se pehle eva. The intolerant discussion. Award wapasi. They never gave the money back, okay. That paper, some people give the photocopy of the award back. They never gave the award back. Award wapasi. All kind of intolerance discussions. But Prime Minister Modi stood the forth in this country. And to me, he is the greatest apostle of Sanatana Dharma in this country. Forget about the politics. But he comes from Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha background. And if you see, after Indian Army, Navy and military, the fourth pillar of this country is not judiciary, is not executive, but it is the Rashtriya Swayamsevak for the dharma of this country, for the protection of this country. That is what I believe. Satyameva jayate. Ahimsa paramo dharma. Sarve santu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhagvavet. Vasudeva kudumbagam. Yatra nariyatya pujyande, tatra devataha bhavantu. All those kind of things that he, Paudevevi Paramatma. There are 14, I'm not able to remember all of them. Actually, he said it in the BJP National Integration Conference before becoming the Prime Minister candidate. And then he went to the Parliament and gave the speech. And none of these Abhishek Manu Singhvis or Kapil Sibals of the day could say anything against it. Secularism is not in this country because it is written in the Constitution, by the preamble by Indira Gandhi. It is not. This country is secular by its own mere existence itself. That is what this country is about. We don't need anybody to come and tell us what is secularism. To live and to live together, Paude may be Paramatma. Even in a living sapling, we see life, we see God in that. That is the vision of this country. So Daridra Narayanas, the poorest of the poor in this country, are gods for us. Nara karni karte Narayan ho jaye. So 14 such Sanskrit, I am not able to remember all of them. You must go and just type Idea of India, Prime Minister Modi's speech, and you will listen to the speech and you will understand what is the greatness of this country. Dhanyavadha. Anya kopi vaktum ichchati chetu vadadu. I saw Anita Bagini wants to say something. Anita Mahodaya. Satu mama grihasya samipe eva tasyaha griham. Tasya mukham aham drishtavan eva. Parantu tasya hastam sa upari na kritavati. Anita Bagini vadadu. Kinchit vaktum ichchati va?
Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya. I will talk only English only. I can't speak.
No. Bhavati Samskrite eva sambhashanam. Samskrite eva sambhashanam karotu. Bhavati tu maya saha eva sambhashana shibire agatavati. Varshadvaya purve bhavati sambhashana shibiram kritavati. Kinchit Samskritena sambhashanam karotu.
Adyaham
Samyak. Chitamastu.
Samyak I can't express. Okay, this time. Later I will.
Video chinta mastu. Sarve Samskrita Chatraha eva, Samskrita Anuragina eva. Samskritena vadadu, no chet Angaleya vadadu chinta mastu. Vadadu.
I started my Samskrita initiation in Vedanta when I study basic Vedanta. There is a teacher Ujjala Rawat. She started. I took classes 3 months, basic, but I didn't understand the Vyakaran. After attending your class, I attended 2 shibir, some Sambhashana shibirs, various Acharya Kumarji and one of the Marol, somebody attended. But I cleared my Vyakarana, Lot Lagara, Lang Lagara, this. It's your class, I cleared this. Actually, your class attending only, I feel it, inspiration. You inspired me to study clearly. I always want to study this language because I want to continue my Vedanta course in higher level. Because I'm interested in study. And I'm taking classes for children, small children, because I love this culture. Our culture in my childhood, I never get opportunity to study anything. That now I got opportunity. This opportunity I will never lose. That's why
Bhavati atra Povai Nagare, Povai Upanagariyam, Balakendram, Bhavati eva arambam karotu, aham sahayam karomi, saptahike, ekatinam, Bhavati eka hora.
I don't want hire this class students to be this I experience now. They are not interested. If it is free, then the children are not ready to come in. But I am in middle class, lower class. I am ready to go. I am even asking my maid servant to your place. You arrange me. I will come and teach the children. 5 to 10 years in this slogas and Sanskrit way. Even I introduce my children Sanskrit little. I'm teaching them because it's experience. The children give inspiration to us to this learn the language. I learned this English also. I'm from born and brought up Kerala. I didn't know the English. I know the English, but I can't speak. But I learned myself this through the children only. This way I will learn Sanskrit also. This is my.
अस्तु भगिनी, धन्यवादः धन्यवादः अस्तु बालकेन्द्रं भवती उपनगरं चालनं करोतु, अहं साहाय्यं करोमि। अन्य राधा गणपति भगिनी अस्ति, राधा भगिनी, राधा गणपति पूर्वे उक्तवती एव, राधा गणपति। शैलजा भगिनी अस्तु अस्तु, शैलजा भगिनी वदतु। शैलजा भगिनी तु निःशब्दरूपेण अत्र उपविशति। शैलजा भगिनी वदतु।
Harivom sir, Harivom sir, thank you very much for the classes. You have taught us so well, and recently we are blessed with a granddaughter. I'm very busy with her and not able to open the books also. I'm listening to your classes, and whatever you have taught, that only the Sanskrit I know now. And
granddaughter,
yes,
wherever she is, just let her listen to Sanskritam conversation.
Yes, sir.
You know the way Abhimanyu, you understand, right? So that way you make her a Sanskritam. Let her be the torch bearer of Sanskritam and Samskriti.
Yes,
She's so
sir,
young.
that is what I'm doing. Instead
Please
of
do
singing
that.
anything to her, I'm singing out all
Don't teach her Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar. Teach her
No, sir.
Krishna, Krishna, Amamba, Sharkaram Khadati, Na Amba, Satyam Vadatu, Na Amba, Mugham Darshayetu, ha ha ha. A Johnny, London Bridge, ये सब करो ना आवश्यकम. I'll give you 100 number of Sanskritam songs.
Thank you.
Please teach them. Ramasya haste kodandam, kodandam, kodandam chabam. Krishnasya haste sudarshanam, sudarshanam, sudarshanam chakram. Arjunasya haste. Tadrisham, we have got so many Sanskritam rhymes. Don't, for heaven's sake, teach her. She will learn all that Johnny and all in school. But you don't teach her at home.
No,
I'll give you 100 number of Sanskrit slokas, Sanskrit songs that you teach her. Let her become a Sanskrit. Whatever mistake we did, let us at the age of 40 and 50, Pratap Mahodaya, Shailaja Bhagini, we are all learning Sanskritam. Just imagine. Let the kid get that opportunity at the age of 1 month itself.
Yes.
धन्यवादः। अन्य कोऽपि वक्तुं न इच्छति चेत् अहं समाप्तं करिष्यामि। शलाका भगिनी वदतु, किञ्चित् शीघ्रं वदतु। It's already 9:09. I need to go to the temple because there is Artigal Pongala. There is Pongala in my temple, so I need to go quickly. So Shakaka Bhagini वदतु, Shakaka Bhagini वदतु, unmute कृत्वा वदतु। न श्रूयते, ध्वनि न श्रूयते, unmute कृत्वा वदतु। न श्रूयते।
I'm Shalaka Anturkar.
वदतु भगिनी।
I'm a doctor by profession. I was attracted to Sanskrit because I couldn't learn Sanskrit in my childhood. So I decided to learn this through online Marga. And I am blessed that Prasad Mohodaya has taught all of us really great Sanskrit. And I wish that whenever I am free, when patients are not there in the OPD, I try to learn whatever is given in our Pravesha book only through the recorded lectures which sir has given us. So I am really thankful, and I don't get much time to recite all the whatever the sir has told, but I try to do it in between the OPD time. So
धन्यवादः भगिनी, धन्यवादः।
Thank you, sir.
धन्यवादः।
Thank you.
कमला भगिनी, last person today. कमला भगिनी वदतु, तस्याः हस्त उपरि एव। कमला भगिनी unmute किञ्चित् वदतु, अनन्तरं समापनं करिष्यामः।
I will not take much time, Acharya. I don't know how to thank you. You have kindled life in me, and I'm marching towards learning a lot and unlearning a lot of things. Thank you very much. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada. Aham kevalam anuhu eva iti aham chintayami. So don't thank me so much. I am just a small micro thing in this whole universe of Sanskritam. Whatever I know is what I've taught you.
But I'm
Dhanyavada.
lucky I came across you.
I'm
lucky I came across you. Thank you.
Dhanyavada. We will do the Ekatmada Stotram and then we will do Shanti Mantram and we will close the class today. Mute eva bhavantu anantaram tatra eva sthitva ekatmada mantram gayatu aham gayami. Yam vaidikamandadrashah puranaha indram yamam madarishvanamahu vedantino nirvachaniyamegam yam brahma shabdena vinirdishanti shaivayamisham shiva ityavojan yam vaishnava vishnuritistuvanti buddhastadharhan iti bauddha jainaha sashriya kaleti cha sikkasantah shastedi kechit prakriti kumaraha swamiti mateti piteti bhaktya yam prarthayante jagadishitaram sa eka eva prabhuradvitiyah. Vande Mataram. Bharat Mata ki jai. Sugam bhavatu, mangalam bhavatu, sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Dhanyavadah. Om Shanti. Dhanyavadah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.